Hi everyone, I'm Kartika Prihadiwa, Managing Director for Enterprise Networking in APJC for Cisco. Now let's talk about sustainability and the role of technology in helping organizations become more sustainable. Today I'm pleased to be joined by Tushar, CIO and Digital Head for L&T Realty.
Hi Kartika, thanks for having me here today.
Tushar, there's been a lot of conversations on sustainability because it is really important in today's environment. Can you share with me what does sustainability mean to your organization and how has L&T embedded sustainability in your organization?
Avoid depletion of natural resources to maintain an ecological balance is very important for L&T. Net zero is also a target, and to reduce greenhouse gas emission is very important for us. In fact, we have put up green hydrogen plants also in our factories. Of course, we are the solar champions in India, and we are a great follower of the New York 80-50 rule, where buildings and factories which are responsible for nearly 67% of the greenhouse gas emission have to come down, and by the year 2050, 80% of the greenhouse gases have to be reduced.
Those are some amazing initiatives by L&T. Can you help me describe the role of technology in helping you meet your sustainability goals? And how has sustainability affected your IT purchasing decisions?
Every tech leader should spend more money initially to gain a 3x or a 5x benefit later on, and also save energy on the way. So let me give an example. Suppose you are buying the switching for a 1 million square feet building. Now the cost of the energy would be typically $2.5 million to $3 million. Now, if you can spend 1 million extra initially, you can end up saving at least $500,000 every year. So just imagine over the next 10 years, you can save $4 to $5 million by spending $1 million extra now. And to top of that, we'll also save around 15 to 20% more energy, and which can help us in saving the planet.
I can't wait to see how L&T will use technology in helping drive sustainability goals. Now, L&T has also worked with Cisco on developing green buildings. Can you share with me about your experience? And how does green buildings contribute to your sustainability goals?
To make a building green, you have to first make it smart. To make it smart, you need to control all the devices, and hence you have to go the PoE way. Power over Ethernet is the best solution at the moment. We have successfully deployed the Cisco switches with the PoE network architecture, and it connects to all my sensors. We've got air quality, parking sensors, we've got cafeteria, even the toilets are smart by having wetness sensors and odor sensors. We in the future would also like to implement Cisco DNA spaces where we have large campus coming up, where we've got schools and we've got residential and retail and healthcare. And we are also using the Meraki broadband series for putting up a parallel network for us, so that we are never out of the network or connectivity of the internet. So we have a LAN environment which is software defined, and we also have the broadband on the Meraki network.
That's really great to hear, Tushar. Before we conclude, can you share some advice for other CIOs who are also exploring sustainability?
In the olden days, we used timers and temperature controllers using the NONC, normally open, normally closed circuits which are there. We also had limit switches for the factories where they have big machines. Now, today is an age of variable power. We need to control each and every device and each and every bulb. Example, suppose the lights are there, based on the daylight situation, you got to control the intensity of that. So my theme or my piece of advice is that please automate energy consumption in your company. And smart switching is the key component of this.
Thanks, Tushar. These are really great insights for your fellow CIOs as they explore sustainability for their organizations. Thank you for your time today.